Welcome to this prototyping tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to prototype icons with hover effects and wireframes using MockFlow WireframePro, all in under 2 minutes. To get started, we already have a restaurant website design ready, along with icons that will appear when triggered. Now, let's add the interaction. Select the component, click on Manage Interaction and choose Mouse Hover as the trigger, set the action to Show Component, and select the icons that should appear on hover. Then, add another interaction. This time, choose Mouse Out as the trigger, set the action to Hide Component, and select the same icons to disappear when the cursor moves away. After that, enhance the interaction by adding a fade-in effect for the mouse hover and a fade-out effect for the mouse out. Once the effects are added, adjust the time delay under the mouse hover interaction to ensure a smooth transition. Next, use MockFlow's Layers feature to initially hide the components that will appear only during the interaction. Once done, click View to preview the interaction. Hover over the component to see the icons appear, and move the cursor away to see them disappear. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick prototyping tutorials from MockFlow.